How's it going? And welcome to Test That Tech. Today we will be tearing down the Asus keyboard. This is pretty much like any standard keyboard. It does have volume buttons here. And so we will look at those and see what it looks like from the inside. Alright. So in order to get this open, there are 14 screws here, 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 here. You can see them. They're standard Phillips, and so you just need to unscrew those. So what's in these is just small put the screws in a safe place so that you don't lose them. Now that all the screws are off, you just take this and pull it apart. That will just lift up nicely like that. Now these rubber heads here are what push the buttons. So each one of these pushes a button. And this just comes off real nicely like that. See, it's just a rubber thing. It has 3 little screws. Alright. Then you just lift this up. And it snakes around. And this little thing is the motherboard of all of this. This you see has all this paper wiring. Gotta be careful of it. See, there's actually 2 layers. It has this little bit of glue here and here that keeps it together. So that just goes right like that. Make sure it lays flat. And this little guy, cord just snakes around. Then I'll put that back on there. This snaps on. Alright. And then don't forget the screws. Then you just take this cord back through there. That's good as new. And that so you'd open up and clean an Asus keyboard. Or any keyboard for that matter. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. Since I'm just starting out, it would be helpful if you would post in the comments any suggestions you have on ways for me to improve my videos.